Have you ever wondered how you can introduce very basic coding concepts to young students? For young students, you might want to make a learning experience easy and engaging, while limiting screen time as much as reasonably possible. That's why we designed a physical board game that allows young students to gradually grasp simple coding concepts through tangible play. Glow Doodle 101, our educational coding board game. So, why learning coding concepts via playing physical tabletop games? While teaching coding concepts in traditional way and practicing on tablets are appropriate for higher grade students, coding concepts are sometimes too abstract for young beginners to learn this way. Glow Doodle 101 has been designed with play-based learning and experiential learning in mind. Students first think in ways similar to coding concepts as they play. After that, with a little ignition from teachers, students make sense of coding-related concepts and knowledges from their play experience. What's more, Glow Doodle 101 was designed to make the whole learning experience more engaging. From the selection of space adventure theme to the multiplayer game design, Glow Doodle 101 also includes teacher guide to help teachers deploy STEM coding activities in classroom. There are 3 gameplays in one single kit, which progressively introduce coding concepts to students. Glow Doodle 101 provides a physical alternative to digital teaching resources for coding.